Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about a WalletConnect network, brand new token. After listing, we use indentation accumulation pump model, zone of interest. Let's dive in. This token listed on different exchanges, once again with different listing prices. So on many exchanges, it listed at 20 cents. On some, it listed at 10 cents. So if you believe, in correct Binance listing prices, you can wait this target. So on a Binance, it's 24 at 26, 23, 25, 21, 82, 21, 19. It's a zone of interest. I will analyze on KuCoin and show you why. So take a look. This is a zone of interest on the KuCoin, and listing price on the KuCoin was 1 cent. So for me personally, it's more correct. And the zone of interest on a KuCoin will be here. This one is 14.75 and 11.50. So this is the first zone of interest. This one. It's a zones where more than okay start accumulate token if you believe in it, right? Next step, guys. It's the best zone to buy. It's not necessary, I repeat again, it's not necessary, so the token will drop to this zone of interest, to any of this zone of interest. We can't know the future, but we work with the money management and risk management, So no makes sense to gamble with the tokens and try predict by luck, because I want to buy at 22 cents and I won't believe we can drop. Guys, a lot of tokens after listing already invalidate their listing price target. So never say never, and better, guys, it's just small recommendation, better skip the token than just stuck in it. Because we can't invest in any token, we don't have unlimited budget. We work with realistic markets. So market cap 75 million, FDV almost over than 400 million. It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad when we get all these tokens with airdrop system. Now the people receive their tokens totally for free. Even I received some $60 for nothing, just because I use the WalletConnect. So guys, I already out of this token, so I don't want to hold it, I don't want to accumulate it. So no, maybe if we drop to 4 cents or 6 cents, maybe I will buy WalletConnect, but I don't want it. Technically, guys, 18% tokens in circulation supply. Next unlock in 38 days, right, in May. So on 25, you have to check the vesting schedule, right? You have to check the token sale. This one, it was like 20 cents, guys. So I don't think so. We will drop much lower than 20 cents, but we get a chance. So if, for example, here, it's going to be the trap, so people can think, no, we can't drop under the coin list sale, but we can. And people can out now in 100% profit on this ICO round, right? Because they now in profit like 103%. In IAO rounds, here's a free launch pools, So all of that, people with the multi-hacking, guys, you can be sure they use the multi-hacking, not one wallet, right? They can dump the price. Highly recommend you go and check, guys, the tokenomics of this token and the vesting schedule. Vesting schedule here is till 2028. Foundation Treasury team. Team can start distribute their tokens December 2025. We'll see. So here's the rewards. So for the next basically 3 years, we can see the rewards, but it's only 17% of tokens, right? We'll see, guys. Here's a track there. Vesting schedule. So guys, zone of interest. I showed you, probably it can be this type of scenario. This is a zone where you need to fix a profit and go higher. This pretty simple strategy. Highly recommend you go and check how to work with indentation accumulation pump model, guys. Let's check with my customer set on lower time frames. What's going on now with this token after listing? Technically 4 hour time frame. This is definitely a market mood. It's a sentiment, total euphoria. Everybody so hype it, and mostly people can stuck in it in the next few days, for example. 1 hour time frame here was a money outflow, no money inflow. We going down here on the direction, we going down on money power, no money inflow. Nothing new for accumulation. A to Z, it's a distribution zone, so something like this one. Nothing new for the accumulation, even on 1 hour time frame, guys. Trade on, sell, drop. No signal to take profit or so. 33% drop. So guys, always be careful with investment on early stage, right? Here's a drop, buyback, bounce, buyback now. So yes, we can bounce again and form something like local, triangle. Now the people draw this type of triangles. Yes, it can be top. It can be even the $1, for example. It can be like this one, around $1, and after that we can land it somewhere. So just be careful, guys. If you trade, on futures, with perps, with leverages, just use stop losses with proper money management and risk management. If you buy it on a spot, I can't say it's a good time to buy the WalletConnect, but it's just my personal opinion, right? Here's a trade on, guys. Fundamental value of this buy line, 25.46. It's a buy line for this token. Fundamental value of this token 19.37. Take profit, it's 51.1. Exit line, it's 57.27. Pretty simple. 15-minute time frame, guys. Here, take profit, it's 55.32. Buy line, like you can see, we're going down, curve down. 27.76. Fundamental value of the token 20.63. So guys, all targets. I showed you my zone of interest. I showed you why these zones highly recommended. Once again, go and check free educational video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. And all eyes, of course, on China and United States, on the Trump, on tariffs, on the macro. But even without a macro, I think we can drop to that zone of interest. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you like to trade with my custom Chris what I showed in this video, just write Maria, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.